Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row.
And I'm Chris.
And today we have to run out to the garden and get our sweet potatoes because we had a frost last night that killed all the greens. So I am actually a little bit hesitant about this unveiling because we planted our sweet potatoes a month, maybe 2 months late. So typically we have humongous sweet potatoes, but we're gonna see this year. I mean, everything's a trial and you just do what you gotta do. So let's get started. Let's get in here and see what we got.
Oh, that's not bad for 2 months early.
Not bad at all.
I found one.
Oh,
Hey.
only found one.
There's a good bit of them.
Wow, look at Jed.
Holy cow, Jen! Hey, we actually are getting pretty good sweet potatoes so far.
Well, so that was a very interesting dig. We had a fantastic harvest, especially for starting so late in the season.
Oh, yeah.
I can't imagine what it would have been if we would have started on time. We had great, this is one of our purple potatoes. We had a bunch of big pink potatoes, but we are not immune to issues like everybody else. I hate on YouTube when you watch these channels and like everything just comes out perfect. We have most likely a rat. It could be a groundhog, but I don't think so. That has tunneled through and eaten probably, what, half of our potatoes? So we are not immune to that. What we're going to do about it is we're going to take all the dirt out of our beds and we're going to put some people call it hard wire cloth, some people call it hardware cloth, but it's what you put at the bottom of rabbit cages, and it's that tiny square wire, you know, not mesh exactly, but you put it at the bottom, you staple it to the bottom of your boxes, and it will definitely keep rodents and things like that from coming and eating your hard work. Look at that. Isn't that terrible? But you know, this is gardening, and so you just get up, and the next season you take note of what happened last season and you just make provisions for the next season. So this fall, that's what we're going to be doing in our beds, is protecting us from that again. But overall, this is a beautiful crop. If you're wondering what you do with sweet potatoes that look like fingers, they make excellent French fries. You can do these up. These are great snacks. You know, the big ones, everybody has the big ones, the potatoes that you make into stuff, mostly baked potatoes. But these little ones, even with your potatoes, your little ones, your little potatoes, your little round potatoes that you get, a lot of people throw them out, which is very odd to me because you can wash those up and throw them in with your roast.
Oh, yeah.
Like don't throw anything away. Try to save everything. So, what do you think about this year's?
I was shocked to see how much we got, especially considering how late we started. Now, I'm not sure where this, whatever it was, came from. It's like, I wasn't even seeing tunnels. Whatever it is, I feel like it was almost backfilling. I wonder if it could have been a mole.
I don't know. Well, all we know is we have a pest.
Yes, we got a bad pest, whatever it is.
We have a bad pest. And so we're going to do everything we can to correct that, and then we'll report again next season. Also, you know, we showed last time how to do potatoes, sweet potato slips, and we got a few slips out of those. I think part of that was my fault. But again, this year we're going to take some of these and we're going to make our own slips in the winter. And we'll start again next May, not July. We're gonna start in May. So if we can plant sweet potatoes, anybody can.
Bye.
Bye.